Listen. Abesetubona kanje mntaka baba ngisebenza kanzima kanje ngisebenzela uThixo umsebenzela uNkulunkulu. Akekho umuntu ongasebenzela uNkulunkulu akadingi isisebenzi. Kodwa uNkulunkulu ufuna ukusebenza ngawe. Ayikho ukuthi wena usebenzele. God wants to work through you. Ayikho wena ukuthi usebenzele uNkulunkulu. You are not free to yourself. You are a slave to God. All you need to do is to avail yourself and let Jesus do the rest. Look at your neighbor and just say, neighbor, avail yourself and let Jesus do the rest. Repeat again.
Neighbor, avail yourself and do the rest.
We are with Umakala Nobel and his one. This creating was